Srangsalo voting machine Twlangwi Saksakni police Stationo Lamrwkha vote Naharnai Adongrok Asalo Umakanta school isimi voting machine nawi Saksakni police Stationo Lamrwkha 6 August late 8 town Bordwale Asokthani vote Naharnai Adongrok Srangsalo Naharjaknai hasteni Kaibri Bidan Sabha Asokthaya Phil Chongbadini vote Abuni Bagai Srangsalo voting machine Twlangwi Saksakni police Stationo Lamrwkha vote Naharnai Adongrok Asalo Umakanta school isimi voting machine nawi Saksakni polling stationo Lamrwkha 6 August late 8 town Bordwale Asokthani vote Naharnai Adongrok Borokni logio security person camera person te webcasting ni team snamoi jai ke borokna naikoloi rohorkha kainai constituency ni Khorang returning officer Majaka Chongmani berekni observer Partha Sarathi Misra.
You have already seen that the entire arrangement has been done. All the teams have reported. They have reported in their designated places, and they have contacted their materials. The EVM movement they have contacted. Already the 50% of the team has reported, and they have already taken their materials and already on the process of movement. And till now there is absolutely no absentee, and everybody is reported, and everybody has received their materials, instructions, and the police arrangement has been done as per the ECI guidelines. The force is in place. I have already instructed the district magistrate and DO that this road should be made clear so that it will be one way till the dispersal of the party. So I believe by 2 o'clock all the parties will leave, and by 4 o'clock they will be in the polling stations.
And particularly the people, voters, are concerned about security. In the sense, earlier experience was not good in the previous election. What type of security arrangement and what you say the voters so they feel confident?
I will only give you this message that as per the ECI guidelines, all the arrangements have been done. The civil administration, police administration have made all the arrangements. There are 3 to 4 lakhs of security arrangements have been done. And most importantly, as you know, the 144 have been imposed, and it has been wide and loud and clear to everybody, to the electronic media and the print media and the loudspeakers, that 144 in place. And moreover, we had day for yesterday, we had a completely briefing of the police, the CAPF and BSF are there. The police, local police was there. We had a complete 2 hours brainstorming session on how to manage the elections and instill a sense of confidence among the voters. So I am confident that all arrangements have been done. There is a videography, micro observers, photography going on. Extra polling person has been given. So I believe everything has been done as per the ECI guidelines. Extra care has been taken. So I believe that I hope that the election will be conducted in a very peaceful and fair and inclusive manner.
By election 6 আগরতলা এবং 8 টাউন বর্দোয়ালি অ্যাসেম্বলি কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সি যে ভোট আগামী কালকে মানে 23 তারিখ হতে যাচ্ছে, সেই উপলক্ষে ভোট কর্মীরা আজকে ওনাদের রেসপেক্টিভ পুলিং স্টেশনের উদ্দেশ্যে রওনা হচ্ছেন উমাকান্ত ওল্ড বিল্ডিং এর কমপ্লেক্স থেকে। তো এখানে আমাদের সাথে আছেন পুলিং পার্সোনালরা আছেন, এডিশনাল পুলিং পার্সন আছেন, ক্যামেরাম্যান আছেন, ওয়েবকাস্টিংয়ের পার্সন আছেন এবং মাইক্রো অবজারভাররা আছেন। সিএপিএফ মানে সেন্ট্রাল প্যারামিলিটারি ফোর্স আমাদের সাথে আছেন। সবাই টিম গঠন করে ওনারা ওনাদের রেসপেক্টিভ পুলিং স্টেশনে ইভিএম, ভিভিপ্যাট এবং ইলেকশনের যাবতীয় ম্যাটেরিয়ালস নিয়ে রওনা হচ্ছেন।
যত পুলিং টিম ni logio tongnai central paramilitary force ni bokok ma thumnai rokna saka returning officer SDM Osim Saha Rajakhor Augilin Pranab ni kokthum Chini Khorang